Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a video on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser. Google Chrome, click on this, enter to open up Google Chrome. Now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, explore all your applications. Let's now go to OneDrive, wait for that to load. Let's now go to admin, then go to my files. Go to folder 2024 that was created in the previous tutorials. So in this tutorial, we are looking to remove the video that was uploaded to OneDrive in the previous tutorials. I can either click on the video and delete from the top, or highlight the video, right click and delete. So let's now click the video, go to the top, click on delete. Are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? That's fine, click on delete. So one item itself has been deleted. If I were to, let's just say now go to the recycle bin, there we have the video and the photo from yesterday's tutorials now sitting in the recycle bin for us to recover in the near future if we ever need to. So let's now go back one, go to my files, go back to 2024. As you can see, the folder is now empty as we have deleted the content within that folder. This tutorial was to demonstrate how to delete the video within OneDrive for Office 365. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.